channel. Guys, today ay magda-dancing lesson tayo guys ulit. Guys, pang part 14 na to guys ng video ni Miran guys. Guys, ito na yung last video ni Miran na 3 simple dance steps guys. Guys, pero guys, pagtapos nito, sabi ni Mami maghanap pa daw siya ng ibang video ni Miran na pwede ko masayaw guys. Guys, super excited na ako dito guys sa part na to. Ito na yung last. At saka guys, excited na din ako sa mga susunod na mag-video dance ko. Okay guys, kung ready na kayo, ako din guys. Ay, oo nga, bala po guys. Explain ko po na sa inyo po to guys. Nag-part 6 to part 9. Pinagsama niya guys yung part 6 to part 9 guys. Para makabulit ng isang simple dance steps guys. Guys, idol ko si Maran kasi magaling siya magturo ng dance. Especially sa hip-hop. At guys, nag-improve pa ako guys. Dati guys, nung part 1 pa lang, nagpa-practice pa lang ako ng part 1, di pa ako masyado marunong guys. Di pa ako talaga maka-dance kahit isang simple moves. Ngayon guys, ito na yung last ng dance lesson guys. Nagustuhan ko yung mga videos ni Miran. Naging magaling na akong dancer.
Wow!
Okay guys, let's start na guys.
Today we are focusing on 3 simple moves for beginners, part 14. You remember last week we took all the dance steps from parts 1 through 4 and made it an easy dance routine that you could work on. Today we're going to do the same exact thing. This is part 6 through 9. The art one, let's get started. Here we go. First step, we're stepping out with the right leg. 6, 7, 8. You're going 1 to the back, 3 to the back. Okay? Let's try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go, step, 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 back, step. Just like we did it in 3 simple moves, part 6. Make sure you're swinging those arms. We'll do it one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here, we're stepping out to the right side. I'll just show you the feet real quick. You're going to go step out, take the left leg behind, step together. Yeah, try that one more time. So you were here. Right leg is behind. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Step. 1, 2, 3. And move on to the third step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So from here, moving on to the third step, which is the spin around. If you remember, you're going left, right, left, together. Okay? Pretty simple. Still keeping that bounce. I'm pushing away with my left arm. Step, step, step. Part 7, which will be the slide. You're going to go slide out. Left arm comes up. Yeah. So slide and touch. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go slide, touch. Nice. One more time. 7, 8. Slide and touch. From here, jump into the next step. Your left leg is already up. So we'll jump to the left side. We'll go out, hit. Okay? So you're here, hopping over to the left, throw those arms out, and out. Okay? You're pushing your hips out on the second one. So you're going to land, you're here, throw, see how my body's forward, and then push back. Okay? So one more time from the slide. 6, 7, 8, go. Slide and step, out and out. Good. From here, since my body's already facing out this way, I'm going to turn to the other side and finish up those steps. Here, here, double up. Okay? One more time. Roll over here. 7, 8, go left, right, left, left. Okay. So keep the bounce still. Drop, drop as you bring those legs up. Perfect. Let's take it back again from the top. So those were the steps from part 6 and part 7. Okay? So we pretty much were able to make it fit in 2 8 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spin around. 2, 3, 4, go slide, hit, throw, and hit, go, boom, boom, 3, 4. Nice. From here, so those were the steps from part 6 and part 7. Moving on to the steps from part 8. Okay? So this was here, 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 here. Okay? You're going to bring the leg down, go right into the next move, which is going to be another bounce. You're going bounce, bounce, twist, twist. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go bounce, bounce, twist, twist. Okay. So that goes here. Take it back a little bit. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Go 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go slide, step, throw, and hit. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go bounce. 6, 7, 8. You're going to go right into the next step, which is your left, right, quick step, and step together. Okay? So you were here. Take the left leg back first. Left, right, step. One more time. You just finished this twist. 7, 8. Left, right, step. Good. From here, moving on to the right side, you can use that arm again. You're just going step and touch, step up, as you're turning. Okay? One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're keeping this leg up. Usually, we would just repeat the step again. But in this case, like I said, we're just jumping from one step to the next step. So we're going to finish that up and jump into the last 3 steps from part 9. Okay? So let's do that one more time. You went bounce, bounce, twist, and twist. You're going to go left, right, and step. Go hit, step, and step, and step, and. Okay, I'm kind of stopping here because the next move, since my left leg is up, I have to jump into the next step. Okay? Let's take it back again one more. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go slide, step, out and throw. Go hit, 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 hit. Go bounce, bounce, twist, twist, and step. And boom. Hit, go 1 and 2 and. Okay. Let's do that again. I'm going to slow it down. That is, if you remember, you're going out, bounce. Okay? So you want to do that as you're turning. So you went step, out, and out, right into it, jump, back. Okay? One more time. I'm just going to go over that a couple of times because the transition is a little weird, but you're going step, 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 and boom, back. Good. We got one more time. Here we go. Going from the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and boom, back. Good. So turn your body right away to jump right into the next step. Okay? Here we go. Let's take it back a little bit. Let's go from the slide. 6, 7, 8. Go slide and touch. Out and hit. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go bounce. 2, 3, 4. Step, step. Hit. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Jump. Out and bounce. Out and back. Step. So pretty simple. Leg comes up, come back down. Leg comes up, come back down. I'm keeping the bounce the whole time. So even though my right leg comes up, I'm bouncing down on that left leg. Here. Keeping that groove all the time. Okay? One more step left, guys. So let's go from the very top, put it all together, and then we'll finish it up. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, go 2, go 3, 4. Bounce 5, 6, twist and twist, step, step. Hit and hit. Hit, go bounce, bounce, and jump. 2, and hit. Bounce and hit. Bounce. Good. One more time. And 7 and 8. Good. So right from the bounce, you went up, bounce, up, bounce. So hit, hit, and double up. Good, guys. So those were all the parts 6, 7, 8, 9. Last week we did part 1A. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down 6, 7, 8. Step, step. 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. I'll count you in. We'll do it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Let's do it again, guys. Here we go. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys.
Sana guys, nagustuhan niyo yung dancing ko po guys. At saka guys, nag-improve ba ako ng kahit konti guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos. Bye!